Are you also tired of manually adding your Instagram leads to Google Sheet? Then you are wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. You can automate this entire process by using an amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sync Instagram lead ads to Google Sheet, and you can create this automation without even a single word coding. And for that I'm going to use an amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm going to firstly show you the real-time working of this automation which I have built in using Pabbly Connect. So here I have filled this Instagram lead ads form, providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Instagram lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving the details of our lead over there or not. So right here you can see this is the Google Sheet where I'm storing my Instagram leads, and here you can check out that I'm receiving the same full name, email, phone number and the city which I have recently filled over my Instagram lead ads forms. So now I'm going to show you how you can build this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. And not only both these applications, Pabbly Connect can integrate thousands of applications. So now let me show you how I have created this automation, and for that let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for creating and testing this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to automate it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, which can be seen here. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Means this automation should be triggered as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection. Now we just have to click over this connect with Instagram lead ads, and I have already logged in my Facebook account connected with my Instagram account. So I'm going to just click over this continue button. So make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly connected with your Instagram account. And here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly. And here on my Facebook account, I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, through which I'm going to receive my new Instagram leads. So right here you can see I'm getting this option for selecting the page. So from this drop down, I'm going to select the page which I have recently shown you. Now I'm going to select my form through which I want to receive my new leads. So right here I'm going to receive my new leads from this form, that is new leads. So I'm going to just select it. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads. Now I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new lead over our Instagram lead ads. So now let's move on towards my Meta for developers page with me. So right here I'm on the Metaphor developers page which I have got by tapping this URL, that is developers.facebook.com, and here on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools which you have to select, and here on this developer tools page I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTO debug tool, which leads me to the lead ad testing tool page where I'm going to select the page which I have recently shown you, and afterwards I'm going to keep my form as same, but you can select it from this drop down. Now let me delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode, and here you can check out that I don't have any leads submitted yet, so I'm going to just click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting this form which I have filled. Now let's click over this continue button and submit button for submitting it, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this lead over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect where you can see 11 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Instagram lead ads form. So now you have seen our trigger app is successfully integrated, and now as soon as someone will fill your Instagram lead ads form, the data will be automatically captured by the Pabbly Connect. And now as we are done with our first principle, now let's proceed towards our second principle, that is going to be the Google Sheet, as I want to add the lead details to the Google Sheet. So here I'm going to just click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to select my action applications Google Sheets. Now let's select the app event as add new row. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page where if you want to build a new connection then you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. So now let's click over the save button, and here you can see that our connection has been built in so smoothly and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet. So from this drop down I'm going to select my this spreadsheet, that is Instagram leads, where I want to save the lead details, and here you can check out that we are getting all these fields for entering the full name, email, phone number and the city of my lead. And now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually tap the details like this, but no, I'm not going to do so because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually tap the data, as tapping will make my data static, but I want to make my data dynamic so that it can be replaced with every new single form submission, and that method is mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram lead ads, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application, that is Instagram lead ads. So from the response of the Instagram lead ads, I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and now let's map the last name of my lead. Now afterwards I'm going to map the email address from the response. So here I have mapped the email address. Now let's map the phone number too. So here I'm going to map the phone number. Now let's map the city too. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single form submission received over your Instagram lead ads form. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request and send this data to the Google Sheet which we have recently selected, and here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that our connection might be created and the data might be added to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here you can see this is the Google Sheet where I'm saving the data of my leads, and here you can check out that I'm successfully receiving all the lead details, and these details are exactly the same as the user has filled in my Instagram lead ads form. So now you have seen this amazing automation which is adding the details of my Instagram leads directly to the Google Sheet, and I don't have to do any manual task. And you have seen that I have created this automation without even a single word coding. So now you can also automate your business by creating automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate your whole business. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.